So let's look at how to structure the essay, how to structure the writing task 2 after generating the content. Let's see how to structure the essay. So we normally follow a 4-paragraph structure in which we start with the first paragraph, which is the introduction paragraph, the 2 body paragraphs, and the conclusion paragraph, the concluding paragraph. So these are the 4 paragraphs based on which you structure your essay. So let's look closely at what happens under each paragraph. So let's talk about the introduction. Intro para, writing it in short words. So the first way, the very first thing which you should always do in the introduction paragraph and when you begin your essay is paraphrase the question prompt. This is very important. And can someone tell me what paraphrasing means? What does paraphrase mean? Any idea? Any idea on this? Nobody knows what paraphrasing means?
Repeated the given questions with using other synonyms of the word.
Yes, correct. So it means that rewriting the same thing, the same meaning of the sentence in different words, right? So let me write this down that. In different words. This is very important. You can use synonyms to do that. So paraphrasing is the first sentence of your essay, and the first sentence is derived from the question prompt itself, where you rewrite the question prompt in different words. It should mean the same thing, but with a different set of words, right? That is paraphrasing. The second thing which you need to do is you need to write a thesis statement. So depending on the question that is asked, so एक तो होता है background statement and उसके नीचे होता है the specific question. So depending on that, you need to answer the instruction that whether you agree or disagree, what is your opinion, what do you think is the problem, what do you think is the solution. You write in 1 or 2 sentences an overview of the ideas and the content which you will write in the upcoming body paragraphs, right? तो जो आप body paragraph में लिखने वाले हो उसका introduction आप introduction paragraph में दे रहे हो. That's what is happening. So you just introduce your ideas very briefly in 1 or 2 sentences, not more than that, right? So with this, the introduction paragraph is about 3 or 4 sentences, not more than that. It's good to go. It's good to go. Next, let's look at the body paragraphs. So body paragraph mein kya hota hai? Let me tell you. Body paragraph is the main content paragraph of your essay. That's the part where most of your content is written down, right? So normally we follow a 2 body paragraph structure, and in some cases, depending on the question, you may also have a 3 body paragraph structure. But that is rare, and you should try to take that decision on test day based on the question that is asked of you, right? So let me tell you how to write a body paragraph. This is very important. So firstly, the body paragraph, like I mentioned, it has most of the details and most of the ideas and the content of your essay, the primary content. So irrespective of the first, second, or third, every body paragraph will follow the same structure. So one para should represent one idea, right? Let's say if you're talking about problems, तो first paragraph में हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ problems के बारे में बात करेंगे. Second वाले में with solution, we will talk only and only about solutions. So one paragraph represents one idea. There is one core and one focus of each paragraph. Now let's see how to write the body paragraph. The first sentence will be the topic statement. So depending on what the question is and what your ideas are, you will write a topic statement, which is the introduction to your body paragraph, introduction to the content which you're going to write. The second thing is you need to give more reasons. So I would say give reasons, explanations, details, right? So this is what you need to start doing. You need to give more reasons, more explanations, more specific details, and so on. The third thing which you need to do is you need to give examples. This is very, very important because this is a requirement, and if you do not provide examples, you will lose marks, right? So this is how you should write the body paragraph. कोई भी body paragraph हो, for whichever essay, this is the format you will follow. This is the format, right? And then we go down to the conclusion part. So conclusion में क्या होता है? Once again, you will paraphrase your question prompt. That is very important. Then you will paraphrase your thesis statement again. जो यहाँ पे लिखा था उसको भी आप वापस paraphrase करोगे. You will read it again in different words. And whatever your question was, based on that, you can even add one more sentence about the body paragraphs. अगर opinion पूछा है, whether you agree, disagree पूछा है, depending on what is asked, you can add one more sentence, right? So this is what the structure of your essay should look like. There are marks for each and every step, so please be careful with that, right? And you should write in at least of 250 words. So of course, we are humans. We cannot keep an exact precise count कि सिर्फ 250 ही लिखना है. So what you can do is you can write a range. 250 is the lower limit. You can write above 270, 280. That's a good range to keep in mind. Upper limit nahi hai, but try to keep it below 310. That should be the maximum you go. Because if you go beyond that, then it means कि आपने question को समझा नहीं. You've not understood what the essay or what the question was about, right?